The 9-inch wireless CarPlay Dash Cam provides seamless integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, offering a hands-free driving experience through advanced voice controls. With real-time online navigation, drivers can easily access popular map applications such as Google Maps and Waze for efficient route planning and traffic updates. This versatile device supports wireless mirroring of smartphones, allowing users to enjoy high-definition video content on its large screen from apps like YouTube and TikTok. Equipped with a 4K high-definition front camera and a 170-degree viewing angle, it ensures comprehensive road safety by capturing detailed footage while driving. The dashcam offers a customizable audio experience thanks to its diverse audio output options including Bluetooth, built-in speakers, FM, and aux connections. Installation is straightforward, with a plug-and-play setup via the cigarette lighter, making it compatible with a wide range of vehicles without the need to alter the existing stereo system.